You know, sometimes things come sooner than you expect. You just gotta work hard. Keep doing what you're doing. Right now you don't see me, but soon I'll be on TV. I am heading to the top, right where I can be me. Soon you catch me wearing all that gold, like I see 3. Soon I'll be getting all the paper like it's TP. Soon I'll be a nominee on 2020 Grammys. Soon I'll be on Caribbean, you can call me Sandy. It's all coming soon, life on a silver spoon. That's all I really want, all I do is wanna stunt. Yeah, I bet you know that I wanna make it.
Yeah,
I bet you know that I'm gonna make it.
yeah.
This rap game is mine for the taking. So I step back, don't be mistaken. Everything I know is coming soon. Nice cars with nice shoes and new songs with new tunes. I try hard, nothing to lose. Working hard ain't nothing new, cause everything is coming soon. Yeah, everything is coming soon. Everything is coming soon, swear everything is coming soon. Shout out to Young Loon, swear I'm about to go loon. Yeah, I'm about to go nuts. Just gonna give y'all heads up. I did dirt, I did mud. My flow's clean like soap suds. Yeah, yeah. Hey, I've been through hell and back. Half my life was a heart attack, but I still ball like a running back. I've been chased with chainsaws, I've been arrested from the mall. All I want, that's one call, that says I'm signed, yeah, that's all. Everything I know is coming soon. Nice cars with nice shoes and new songs with new tunes. I try hard, nothing to lose. Working hard ain't nothing new, cause everything is coming soon. Yeah, everything is coming soon. All my real goons know that everything is coming soon. Hopping in a new whip where all you hear is play star room. I'ma let this beat go, this bass drop with that boom. My music getting bigger, you can say my vibe is on Zoom. Yeah, and I ain't never gonna stop. Can you meet me there? Can you meet me at the top? And if you in my way, I'ma have to shoot you down. Make you go to sleep like you in a nightgown. I'ma be a king, I'ma claim a crown. I ain't going back to low ground. So I'ma stay high, let's chop it down. Stay in my own circle, merry-go-round. This my town, my city, Fort Wayne. All my dudes with me, cause this is how we ride. We ride until we die, and until I make it, I'll be busting through that fire. Everything I know is coming soon. Nice cars with nice shoes and new songs with new tunes. I try hard, nothing to lose. Working hard ain't nothing new, cause everything is coming soon. Yeah, everything is coming soon. Right now, I'm only rocking 10 bear, but I want 10 mil, or maybe 10 bill. At the corner for some dollars, catch me selling pills. But I still know how to keep my shit real. My shit real, and it's only getting higher. Spitting so much fire, Burger King was like you hired. All these old niggas expired, so they flow and spoil milk. Tryna fly rich like Japanese silk. Still, my style so sick, it got me ill. All my money dirty like it's out the oil spill. But for real, I'ma live my life to the fullest. You only live once, so I'ma fucking enjoy it.